package came. Hey, Dad. So we're gonna be reviewing this.
What's that?
It's a new Nerf gun, and also in the back.
Oh, I see. Come inside. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Let's go do this, guys. We just cut the video, and we also have this toy. All right, so it's also has this thingy over here. I don't know what it's for. If you can tell me in the comments, please.
Please leave them.
Alright, so there's also on the back, it says that you can pull the green thing up here. Like there.
Okay, let's start.
Alright. And it also has scratches on the Nerf gun. And it also does this. Hey guys, and here's the Nerf darts. And there's also this
Green something.
guy
Okay, open it up.
playing, and the dinosaur, and a dinosaur, and Scratch right there, and Scratch is also on the Nerf gun. Alright, let's get it out of the box. And it also has this white thing over here, so it can stick on. So,
Yo.
alright.
And then gonna
Take it out of the package. Gonna.
Okay.
The white thing is up here at the thingy.
okay, we have to remove this one. The tape.
The tape. Okay. So you have to remove it.
I guess it's this easy. Should be.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, what can you say about this toy?
I mean, it's pretty sick.
Like what?
Like it's pretty cooler. And I also have a toy similar to that.
Come, show it.
It's this toy. It's not quite the same, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 holes
Yeah,
for the bullet.
and 1 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here.
Okay. This
Get it.
one. Wait up.
1 down, 1 down, 1 down. That, and we're also gonna have a Nerf battle at the end.
Wow. Okay, and then
Wow. Wow. Can't believe I get to see this thing in person.
wait up.
Whoa. This thing is sick. Alright, get this.
Okay. Oh, it has a screw on it. See?
Just a screw.
It's screwed. Show this one.
Oh. So this is the Nerf darts. I've been saying for you guys, this is the Nerf darts is yellow. And here's the thing. And also, whoa! Look at this! Whoa! Get this! Whoa! Compare this to this. Which is cooler, guys? Tell me in the comments. Do you like the old one or the new one, guys? Tell me in the comments what you like better. I prefer the new one.
I'm having a hard time removing the egg one.
Hard time removing the egg one?
Wait up.
The eggy one?
That's some tricks on this.
Dad, take out the bullets, please.
Take out this.
Come on. Oh, come on.
Oh.
Get out, bullets. Get
Okay.
out.
Now we have this one, the target one. And for the bullet.
The bullets. Yeah.
Yeah, for the moment of truth, maybe Chao will try it.
Oh, we're gonna try
Look,
how it works.
like shoot the camera,
Yeah, shoot the camera.
then you will drop it like that.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
Whoa! It has some fast speed.
So we're having a Nerf battle. I got my own Nerf gun.
Dad, put this. Wait, Dad. This there. That there. That's right there. I think this is. Can I get look good?
Okay, Nerf battle, start. Boom, one down.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
No, you're supposed to hook.
Oh, one down.
Shooting from the high ground.
Oh,
Shooting from the high ground. 360 rebound shot.
ow! You got me.
No, it's not done yet. It's not done yet, Dad. Let's still do it off camera.
I got a Nerf battle. Okay, Nerf battle begins. Ah, you
One bullet.
you got me.
No, it doesn't today.
Again.
That's it for today. Then let's enjoy the Nerf battle, Dad.
Okay, see you again. Please
We're
subscribe.
gonna do the Nerf battle off camera.
Yeah, please subscribe if you like this video.
Yeah.